Welcome back to another video. Today I want to make a video here on Healthier Choices Management, ticker symbol HCMC. Now this is not a crypto, this is actually a OTC stock, and a stock that I've been making videos on. Let's take a look here at this, and you can see I covered HCMC stock through and through. So many videos here on HCMC. I think actually one of my most popular videos like on this channel actually that I guess went crazy in the first couple of days was this one here. You can see 18,000 views. But HCMC again is a stock that I've been covering for a while, and we are initially covering this stock intensively because of what was going on with the patent infringement lawsuit with HCMC and their patent infringement lawsuit with Philip Morris. Now, a lot of people really got into HCMC stock, and if you're watching this and you're familiar with this, you could skip ahead. But a lot of people got familiar with HCMC stock because of the potential patent infringement lawsuit with HCMC, with Philip Morris, and a lot of people were speculating that there could be a multi-billion dollar settlement on the way for HCMC, which would obviously add extreme amounts of value for the company. So again, we followed that through all the way through until the end almost, where HCMC actually lost the ruling, right? The ruling was favored against HCMC in that case. But I have an update for you guys because there's been a couple of things here, and I need to make a video on this company, because some people have been asking me to give an update here on HCMC, and since I did cover it so extensively, you can see here, I felt like I needed to do this. So that being said, let's just get right into it. So first, HCMC, this came out December 14th, by the way, so you may or may not have already gone over this, but HCMC announced its filing of appeal to ruling a case against Philip Morris. So HCMC today announced that it has filed an appeal of the District Court for Northern District of Georgia's dismissal of HCMC's patent infringement action against Philip Morris and Philip Morris products. HCMC believes the Georgia court committed a legal error by dismissing its complaint for patent infringement and also denying HCMC's motion to amend its pleading. Jeffrey Holman, CEO of HCMC, had this to say: We will continue to vigorously pursue our case through the appellate process, as we believe the facts and controlling law support our position. Jeffrey Holman concluded the company continues to move forward with its various growth initiatives. We are presently in the process of rebranding our recent acquisition of EIR Hydration, and I invite everyone to periodically check our corporate website for latest company news. As always, I would like to sincerely thank all of our valued shareholders for their continued support. Now you can see here, HCMC being an OTC stock, the average trading volume for HCMC is 595 million. Today is sitting at 1.7 billion in trades. And that doesn't surprise me because I feel like from the first time I covered HCMC, the trading volume has always been very, very high. But coming here, taking a look at the year-end shareholder letter from the CEO of HCMC, I kind of just want to go over it here, kind of break down what Jeffrey Holman here is talking about. If you've been watching any video on HCMC, you're familiar with who Jeffrey Holman is. And I do honestly, before I get into it, like him as a CEO of a company, in my opinion. But he says here, as the end of a very tumultuous year closes, I want to take a moment to thank all of our valued shareholders and reiterate some things that we hope to accomplish in 2022. As always, one of our primary goals is to enhance shareholder value. We recognize that at year-end, many investors strategically sell shares of stocks to take year-end losses for tax purposes. This is an inevitable function of the market, and our company stock is not immune to this. Having said that, in 2022, as I have stated before, we intend to continue our corporate growth initiatives. We will endeavor to our growth revenue base through a larger footprint in brick and mortar as well as online, and expand upon our intellectual property suite and increase our profitability. We are very excited at the prospect of growing a new segment of health and wellness centers under the Healthy Choices Wellness Center brand, and they believe that this is a segment that has potential to thrive even in uncertain times brought on by COVID virus. We also look forward to federal appellate court reviewing our matter against Philip Morris, as we believe the legal error was made in the dismissal of our case. Finally, please know that we are exploring potential ways to modify our capital share structure in a way that will be more favorable to our shareholders. In the final 2 months of 2021, we filed our third quarter results, announced the acquisition of EIR Hydration, and provided 2 updates on the status of our litigation. All of these can be found on our corporate website at HCMC under the news tab. Please continue to check in periodically for the latest HCMC news. Once again, thank you for your continued support, and I wish all of you a very healthy and happy 2022. So they released the quarter 3. You can see here. Well, first they released the quarter 3 2021 financial results. You can see here the revenue has been strong, honestly, through and through. Total sales, you can see here 9 months ended 10 million, 2020, 2021 10.1, 2020 10.6, so very, very similar. You can see here, I mean, so the financials to me not that bad, and I feel like they've been honestly pretty consistent for the last 2-3 quarters or so. And then taking a look here as well, they also did acquire EIR Hydration at IV Therapy Center as well. And again, it's IV Therapy Center located in New York. The company's rebranding of this location as in its first Healthier Choices Wellness Center is already in progress. EIR Hydration provides professionally customized IV hydration plans to meet its clients' lifestyles, dietary habits, and athletic activities and health needs. So with all those things being said, those news press releases from HCMC, I will say that from the very beginning of time, from the very first video I believe I made on HCMC, I was calling this project a long-term hold, and I still do continue to believe it to be a long-term hold. I think that this is a project that, this is a company that in the long term can reap some benefits for people that are holding stock in HCMC. It's been a long-term hold. For me personally, I'm not selling any shares, although at the same time, I'm not planning on buying any more shares. I'm going to stick with my current bag and hold this project, hold this company through definitely at least through the end of 2022. Give it one more year to see what this company can do, because I do think it's headed in the right direction. And because we still have some uncertainty with the case against Philip Morris, there is still that chance that the case can be appealed. This can go back to trial, and some positive light can come out of that. So let me know in the comments below how you guys feel about HCMC. Hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, drop a like on this video, and as always, have a great day.